Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am really excited because we are unboxing and taking a look at the Disney Princess Affirmation cards. So 52 ways to celebrate inner beauty, courage, and kindness. This is published by Insight Editions. It retails for $19.99 in the US and $26.99 in Canada. This is geared toward ages 5 to 10, so I'm wondering how well this will work for adults too, because there was the Star Wars version that we took a look at, which I will link in the eye, and that was really great for all ages. All right, the back says Disney princesses share stories, advice, and inspiration in this collection of motivational cards and a companion guidebook. Each card will spark meaningful conversations, prompt positive thoughts, help build self-esteem, and encourage kids to be kind to themselves and others. This is written by Jessica Ward. I do have to point out I had to tape this edge because the sticker that holds the flap on wasn't stuck and it refused to stick, and it's a little off here too, so the packaging came a little wonky, but the Star Wars version was fine, so I'm assuming it was a one-off and I'm not gonna be upset about it. It's just the packaging, but I'm excited to get into this. All right, so before we get into the cards, let's take a look at the guidebook. Okay, let's see. All right, here we go. The deck is divided into 4 categories or suits. The first category is positive affirmations, fortifying statements written in the spirit of each princess, designed to be read to a child. The second category is inspirational quotes or words spoken by or related to each of the princesses to think about at the start of the day or to dream about it at the end of it. The third category is feel-good activities, actions and pastimes that a parent and child can do together to boost happiness and fulfillment. And the fourth category is confidence-building conversation starters, or prompts designed to spark thought, discussion, and bonding between participants. All right. We're talking about role models. Here's my favorite over there, Ariel. So yeah, you can use this however you want. You can use them all together. How to use the booklet is intended for confident readers, preteens, and even adults. Many of the cards in the deck are examined more deeply with questions to prompt further thought, discussion, and explorations. Answers can be discussed out loud or written down in a journal. All right. Okay, awesome. And then it just goes into the cards. Okay, I'm too excited. I want to see this. So we're going to start with, what is the back here? Affirmations. All right. And what I loved about the Star Wars version is you can see down here, it already tells you the page number to go to on the book. So excited. Here we go. It's a matte too, which is fun. Cardstock is nice. It's flexible, but I feel like it's sturdy enough. It's going to be okay to be knocked around and dinged up a little bit if you have littles. I love that. I am enough. The art style's fun. Ooh, awesome. Oh, I have a voice that matters. Awesome. So the Star Wars one, I know I keep bringing it up, but it's the comparison. It was really good at not patronizing the kids, and I feel like that's going to be the issue with this too. It's not going to be patronizing. I feel like this is definitely something that all ages can use and not feel like it's dumbing down or trying to speak to them at a certain level. Love that. Oh. These are great affirmations. That's awesome. Oh, cute. I like that this isn't talking about like physical strength. It's talking about, you know, something that comes from inside. All right. These are what, the inspiration? Yeah. So what I liked about the concept of how this is made up is you can use each of these suits or sections differently or all together. Cute. I love Brave. It's such a great movie. I cry. Well, who am I kidding? I cry on every Disney movie. Oh, Killjoy. Okay, and these are activities. Cute. You know, when your kid comes up, it tells you, hey, I'm bored. This is great. This is like, okay, we'll go pick a card out of your Disney Princess deck and get an idea. Try a new recipe. Oh, I like that idea. Make up your own game. Cute. Yay, scavenger hunts. Okay, this is really like my inner child is loving all of this. I don't know about you, but this is something I would have undoubtedly had in my collection as a child. I do that all the time. I make up songs for my dogs and my plants. My dogs have a nighttime song that we sing to them. It's pretty bad around my house when I get bored. Start making up little little annoying songs. All right, and these last ones are conversations. Cool. I like how it asks questions. Again, it doesn't patronize. It doesn't, you know, talk down to the kids at all. It helps them, you know, if they're feeling a certain kind of way, it helps them work through it. And also, like, if you're watching the movies or reading the stories, this can kind of help explain some of the dynamics and some of the situations to kids that might not quite really get it yet on their own. And like I said, love that it goes right to that page number. So if you're using these with your kids, you can just hurry up and get there because you know kids are impatient. Or if you are one that watches kids, babysits, does any kind of childcare, this might be something awesome to have in your tool or bag of tricks, just to keep conversations going, keep them active. All right, so I'm going to shuffle them all together and see what comes out. And then we'll go a little bit deeper into the guidebook as always. I don't think they're meant to be shuffled. I think they're just meant to be used however you want them to be used. But at any rate, we're still gonna try and see how it works. They're a little bit bigger, so keep that in mind. We'll take a look at that and then this affirmation. Okay, so this is the conversations. As someone who was treated unkindly by my stepmother and stepsisters, it would have been easy for me to lose hope. What does hope mean to you, and when do you feel most hopeful? Okay, first of all, fantastic if you were a journaler. These are great prompts for you if you run out of what to write about, or if you need a little bit of an inspiration for it. Okay, so deeper dive. Some people believe that whatever you put out into the world is what comes back to you. What did Cinderella put out into the world, and what came back to her as a result? What do you put out into the world? Oh my God, this is fantastic for journalers. How great. Like, of all ages, it doesn't matter. Okay. And then, oh, literally right next to it. Awesome. All right. So this says, I am open. I am not afraid to make mistakes. We all make mistakes sometimes. The important part is learning from them. And this is the affirmation. So I am open. Deeper dive. Merida thought that a magic spell was the solution to her friction with her mother. But when her mother was transformed into a bear, she realized that she had made a grave mistake. Have you ever made a big mistake, and what did you learn from it? I think this is awesome. I really enjoy this. I think there's many different ways that you can use this. I think all ages would benefit from this, not just the 5 to 10-year-olds. Let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you would use if you are a Disney fan? Is this something that you would want to use with your kids? Do you think that they would relate with it? I am so excited to start using this. I really love anything with affirmations. So that's why I wanted to take a look at the Star Wars deck, and then I saw that they had the Disney Princess version, and it was just a no-brainer. So let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. I am so curious to see your thoughts and opinions. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on your way out of this video. Also, if you are interested in purchasing this, I will link it in the description box so you can purchase it legitimately. And while you're in the description box, you'll notice a link tree, and that will have all of my links to social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to comment what you think about this down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.